Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by launching Google Earth and immediately enabling the ocean layer because the wreck lies deep and you need seabed context. Once done, set camera speed to low so zooming is precise and switch to a 3D view for realistic perspective. Make sure historical imagery or bathymetry overlays are on, since these enhance seafloor detail. Now type the approximate coordinates into the search box and press enter. This gets you directly above the target area to begin detailed exploration. With coordinates entered, you zoom slowly down to around 3 to 5 kilometers altitude so details start to resolve without losing context. Tilt the view to an oblique angle to reveal seafloor contours. This is why bathymetry and sonar overlays matter. They make linear wreck features stand out. Once you spot a shape resembling a hull or debris field, drop a place mark and name it. Make sure to adjust illumination or time sliders if available, because lighting changes can reveal shadowed structures. You confirm the find by comparing the visible shape to Titanic's known length of 269 meters and by checking the classic twin structure and debris field pattern. Use the measurement tool to verify scale, then capture high-resolution screenshots and export the place mark as a KML so you can reopen the exact view. If the imagery is noisy or missing, refresh layers, toggle bathymetry, or switch to Google Earth Pro. Sometimes lowering altitude slightly or changing tilt reveals obscure details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.